Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your PR announcement with MailerLite campaign to LinkedIn, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer your PR announcement campaign from MailerLite to LinkedIn, start by logging into your MailerLite account. Navigate to the Campaigns tab to find the PR announcement you wish to share. Click on the specific campaign to open it. Once open, locate and select the View Campaign option. This will take you to a preview of your campaign content. Copy the main text of your PR announcement from this preview. Next, open a new browser tab and log into your LinkedIn account. On your LinkedIn homepage, locate the Start a Post box at the top of the feed. Click inside the box to activate it and paste the copied text from your MailerLite campaign. After pasting, review the text for any formatting adjustments or corrections. You may want to add a personalized comment or introduction that aligns with your audience on LinkedIn. Next, consider adding relevant hashtags to enhance visibility. To further engage your audience, this is a good time to include a link to your full PR announcement if it's hosted on your website. If your campaign includes images or graphics, return to MailerLite to download those assets. Once downloaded, upload the images to your LinkedIn post. Check your LinkedIn post for any final edits or adjustments. When you're satisfied with your post, click the Post button to share it with your network. Monitor the post to respond to any comments or questions from your audience after publishing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.